video, I'm showing how to make sous vide Thai egg. Silky smooth and creamy. These ingredients you'll need: 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Then you're going to stir to dissolve the sugar. Once that's dissolved, you're going to add your chopped up chilies, give that a mix and set it aside. Set your sous vide machine at 75 degrees Celsius, and that's what you're going to cook your eggs in, and you're going to cook them for 13 minutes. While that's cooking, you're going to make an ice bath for the eggs once they come out of the water. Once the eggs are cooked, you're going to put the eggs in the ice bath and let them cool down. Once your eggs are cool, you're going to have everything ready to pop your eggs in and enjoy your eggs. Crack your eggs into a bowl like I'm doing here. How gorgeous. Once the eggs are in the bowl, pour over your lovely sauce, add some chilies on top and enjoy. Guys, so simple. If you don't have a sous vide machine, just use a temperature tester. Look at that. Silky smooth and delicious. Thanks for watching. Why don't you give these eggs a go? Cheers, guys.